If you want to unlink your PlayStation account from Epic Games, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. It only takes a few minutes, but it is important to do it carefully because Epic may warn you about losing access to certain data and account connections. Before we begin, make sure you are signed in to the Epic Games account that is currently linked to your PlayStation Network account. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website, then log in to your account. Once you are signed in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click that icon to open the menu, and from the options that appear, select Account. This will take you to your Epic account settings, where you can manage your profile, passwords, security, and connected services. On the account page, look for the Linked Account section. This is where Epic keeps track of all the platforms and services connected to your account, including consoles like PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo, as well as other services. Scroll through the linked accounts until you find the PlayStation Network tab. Once you see it, you should also see an Unlink option next to it. Click Unlink to start the removal process. At this point, Epic will usually show a warning prompt because unlinking a console account can affect your progress, purchases, or access depending on how your account is set up. Read that message carefully before continuing. If you are sure you want to proceed, check all of the boxes in the warning prompt to confirm that you understand the consequences. These boxes are important because they acknowledge that you may lose access to certain data or benefits tied to the connection between PlayStation and Epic Games. After you have checked every required box, click Unlink again to confirm your choice. Once you do that, Epic will remove the PlayStation connection from your account. You may be asked to refresh the page or sign in again, and after the process is complete, the PlayStation account should no longer appear under your linked accounts. To double check, go back to the linked account section and verify that PlayStation Network is no longer connected. If it still appears, refresh the page and make sure the unlink process was fully completed, and that's it. You've successfully unlinked your PlayStation account from Epic Games. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next simple step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.